Guys, today I didn't go to work because Harare police were arresting in-drive drivers. Maybe you are a driver or a passenger, you need to hear this. But before I tell you what exactly is taking place in Harare, Zimbabwe right now, I need to show you evidence of what is going on. So let's listen firstly to this audio.
Shamwari ndadotiza mutauni shamwari ndaita tuma encounter nemapurisa ari musiva auya pakandira zvichibvunza kuti kwai nanzi chi uri kuita indrive ndikati handisi zvandati uri kuita indrive kaiwo ndikati ndati handisi munhu kutonoka dhoo ndakatozvivharira mahwindo angu ndakazvigarira nekachando kakanoka hwindo obva ndadzikisa otanga ndibvunza zveindrive saka ndadozvisiva ini ndaenda unopaka pagreenfields apa nhasi kwakapora sei akupora kwakatonhora kuti tonhonge wedza.
Anyway, we heard it from the audio. That was my sister Lina. She once encountered the police 2 times yesterday. These are some of the screenshots which I was sent by other drivers. They were saying it's very hard, it's something else. So what happened today morning? There were a lot of roadblocks, unusual roadblocks we are not used to see, and those police which were on the roadblocks, they were checking if you are doing in-drive, and if they find that you are doing in-drive, they are going to arrest you. So other drivers suggested to turn off their application or uninstall their application and went back home. So these unusual roadblocks causes a lot of drivers to go home because no one wants to be arrested. Then there's another screenshot. Unfortunately, I can't show you the names and stuff, but she was saying, she's a lady, she was saying she was trying to join like the main road. Then the passenger was talking to someone or someone he knows, and the police came and said, you are arrested and for blah, 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 blah. So it's very sad, guys, as drivers. Some people, or let me say mine, I depend or I rely on in-drive. Then what's going to happen to my life when in-drive is normal? I'm going to starve. I'm going to struggle. Guys, I don't want to lie. This is bad to us. And number 2 is what I heard is that the police is enforcing the laws. They want in-drive cars to be registered like taxis, sort of taxis, like it's a car which carries passengers, because us in Zimbabwe we are operating using our own personal number plates, like not what you call not commercial. I don't know if this commercial number plate. So this thing is straining us as drivers, because we can't go and register the plate or what you call the white plate for us to do in-drive. Then if we register the white plate, they are going to take taxis from us. Then also in-drive is going to take commission from us. So what would we left with, guys? It's very, very tough, and Zimbabwe is becoming tough for us to survive as drivers. I'm talking on behalf of drivers. Then the other thing is in-drive itself, it's changed. Like, it's not the in-drive we used to know. The percentage is now high, and the premium or the platinum target rides are increased. Like, check on this one. So we used to complete 42 rides. It was 42 rides. Now in-drive requires a 55 rides for you to be in a platinum status. So it's becoming tense like each and every day, guys. In-drive, I don't know, but in-drive is not yet closed. It's still working, and some people today, they went to work and they are doing it right. But as for me, I'm afraid of police, and I want this scandal to vanish. Then I'll resume my work. So guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this issue? And let's continue to another one, which might be the problem to the police to arrest a lot of in-drive drivers. Like, because what I heard is like the news was saying, is it the news? On Facebook I come across with the post that was saying today police, they are doing mushika shika operation. Then if you are doing in-drive too, you are on hotspot, so you are going to be arrested, because in-drive in Zimbabwe, they think it's mushika mshika. But it's not mshika guys, because with InDrive you can carry a one passenger and go and drop him in. Yeah, so the other thing is InDrive itself, they must be clear, like they must not accept all cars, like these yellow plate cars they accepted on InDrive, then they want us to be arrested again. So if InDrive enforces law that we need white plate cars, people are going to put their cars white plates, or we need yellow plate cars, they are going to do that. So guys, it's very complicated in Zimbabwe right now. The situation is very complicated, but we hope it will end very soon and we resume to our way of living. And many people want to venture into this InDrive. So I see this video as the impact, and I have to alert them. So this thing might happen to you as well when you venture into InDrive and you get disappointed, and you can say, Eulogy, you were talking rubbish on YouTube and stuff, you can mock me, but I just made this video for you to know that there are some consequences, or there are some complications when you joined InDrive business. So yeah, the other question is InDrive banned officially in Zimbabwe? The answer is no. InDrive is still working in Zimbabwe, and it's just a breakdown, it's a crackdown, like they were busy trying to enforce the laws of mshika and stuff. You know what, if you see a lot of videos on Facebook or TikTok, a lot of combis are running away from the police. That's sort of the operation which was happening to mshika cars, like, you know. So InDrive is still working, guys. You can continue taking bookings and stuff on your InDrives, and InDrive is still working. Let me say that what other InDrive drivers are saying is it's some of them, they are saying it's a way of clearing the streets, like there's a lot of traffic in streets, so they need to clear the streets for Zupcos and stuff. And others are saying if we register InDrive, if we register our cars as taxis, is too expensive for us and we can't afford. Because let's say you are not the owner of the car, then someone gave you the car to do InDrive, then you have to reach the target. The car must pay the taxis, you have to pay parking. So it's a lot of things, guys. I don't want to lie. Let me say that if the owner of the car is going to pay the taxis, it shows us that the target of the driver is going to increase. Maybe if we used to cash 120 or 130, we are going to cash 180 to something, because he's trying to cover up some things, and as drivers we're left with nothing. And to the side of the passengers, they are stuck, like the passengers are in a big problem because they can't do their things with their time, because InDrive drivers, they are disturbed, you know. But let's hope this commotion is going to end very well and very fast. So guys, if you find this video helpful to you, and if you have something to talk in the comment section, please comment, and we need to know what's the way forward as InDrive drivers. So for those who wanna do bookings, guys, don't forget to take my number, because some of the days it will be like this. So you need to take my number and you call me. Where are you, Lodge? Come and collect me. Then you do your runnings very fast. So don't forget to take my number, and I put my number in the description, because maybe the day is going to come where there is no network. So you are going to call me and I'm going to come and pick you. And also the other thing is the target of InDrive as premium drivers increase, then also the data increase. We used to buy 45 data for unlimited, now is $45, 200 gig. Imagine. So it's something not good, guys. So we need to find the way forward. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful to you, please consider subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so that every time I upload the video, you are going to be notified, and every alert I'm going to alert you. Thank you so much. Peace. See you on the next video.